Special edition, one of a kind. Look in the mirror and that's what you'll find. God had a plan when he made you, and now it's time to follow it through. Did you know you're a superstar? You never know how far you can get from where you are, 'cause you're a superstar. You don't have to play guitar or drive a fancy car. God loves you the way you are. To him you're a superstar. Distinctly irreplaceable. Nobody else could be like you. Uniquely individual. God loves to watch the things that you do. Did you know you're a superstar? You never know how far you can get from where you are, 'cause you're a superstar. You don't have to play guitar or drive a fancy car. God loves you the way you are. To him you're a superstar. Na 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 na. Superstar. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Superstar. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together, 'cause guess what? The star is you. The curtain's up, the lights are down. We're all wondering what you gonna do. 'Cause you are the superstar. You never know how far you can get from where you are, 'cause you're a superstar. You don't have to play guitar or drive a fancy car. God loves you the way you are. To him you're a superstar. You're a superstar. You never know how far you can get from where you are, 'cause you're a superstar. You don't have to play guitar or drive a fancy car. God loves you the way you are. To him you're a superstar.